Hello everyone, welcome to KBK Physics Planner and Scheduler YouTube channel. Today we are looking at the foundation of Oracle Primavera P6, the Enterprise Project Structure, the EPS. Before we dive into the technical steps, if you find this P6 tutorial helpful, please take a second and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow project planner. Let's get started. In Primavera P6, Professional EPS stands for Enterprise Project Structure. It is a hierarchical framework used to organize and manage all projects in a single database. It allows you to organize projects by department, location, or project type. Let's jump into the P6 software and build one EPS from scratch. So right now we are in P6 Windows, so we're gonna get create for one company, which is the sample company XYZ Construction Group. So we're gonna create EPS for this company. So to create EPS, first you have to go to here at the enterprise menu. You're gonna click this one. So if you click this one, we have several options here. You're gonna select the enterprise project structure, this one. So once you are here, so you're gonna, to create a new EPS, you have to click the add button here. So you see here we have created a new node. So we're gonna make it to the left. So once we make it to the left, so we're gonna take it at the top here. By clicking here, it will go at the top. So once we are here, we're gonna create the EPS name for company, which is the XYZ Construction Group. So this is the company name, XYZ Construction Group. So this is the EPS name. So we have to create a EPS ID for this EPS name, which is for XYZ Construction Group. I'm gonna make it shorter, XYZ Con GR. So I make it shorter like this, which I prefer. So once we have this is the company name. So in this company, the XYZ Construction Group, we have two main departments, which is the infrastructure division and the residential division. So we're gonna create these two main departments under XYZ Construction Group. So to create those departments, so you have to click add here. So the first one is the infrastructure division. I'll create EPS ID for infrastructure division. I'm gonna call it infra. So I'm gonna click on the blank space here. So I'm gonna click here and then I'm gonna add another department. This department is under XYZ Construction Group. So the name of that one is residential division. So I will click here on the blank space. So I'm gonna click here to add EPS ID for residential division. I will call it res. So click at the blank space here. So we created those two main departments, infrastructure division and residential division. Now I'm gonna create another department under infrastructure division. That department, actually we have two departments, highways and road. And the other department is rail and transit. So first I'm gonna create the highway and road. So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click the add button here. So once I will take it to the top under infrastructure, this one to make it at the right. So here, so right now, this new node is under infrastructure division. So once it's right, it's like this, I will put highway and road. So I'm gonna create EPS ID for highway and road. To create the EPS ID for highway and road, I will say it HR. Click on the blank space here. So then I'm gonna create the other main department, which is the rail and transit. I'm gonna click the add button here. So now we have new node is created under the highway and road. I will say this one rail and transit. So I will call it RT. So right now we have infrastructure division here. We have another department, main department under XYZ Construction Group. We have residential division, this one. So under residential division, we're gonna create another department, suburban housing. So I'm gonna make it shorter, this one. I will call it sub. So I'm going to create another department under residential division as well. The second department, which is the high-rise apartments. I'm going to click on the blank space here. I'm going to add the EPS ID for high-rise apartments. I'm going to call it, which is HRA. Okay. So this is the EPS structure for XYZ construction group. Now I'm already created the EPS structure. I'm going to close it. So as you can see on the screen, we have already created EPS structure for the XYZ construction group. This is the company name. So under XYZ construction group, we have two main departments, the infrastructure division department and the residential division department. Under infrastructure division department, we have two departments, highway and road, and also rail and transit. Under residential division department, we have another department as well, the suburban housing and the high-rise apartments. So in the next video, we're going to create projects under the highway and road and rail and transit. We're going to create under suburban housing. We're going to create projects as well. In the high-rise apartments, we're going to create another projects as well. So this is EPS structure for XYZ construction group. That's it. You have just built the foundation for your projects. In the next video, we will look at the OBS organizational breakdown structure and how to link it to your new EPSs. If this helps you get organized, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.